Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. On Sunday, 13th October, in memory of Blessed Alexandrina da Costa, the Association of Salesian Cooperators ASC from the Father Juan Vernet Center in the Mary Help of Christians parish of Syria near Caracas experienced a special moment. During the Eucharist, presided over by Father Rafael Montenegro, Superior of the Salesian Province of Venezuela, VEN, 4 new members made their promise: Sarai Avendano, Gregson Padilla, Mirella Polemino, and Leonardo Paez. Father Juan Castro, delegate for the Salesian family, Father David Marin, delegate for Salesian Cooperators, and the Salesian community of Saria concelebrated the Eucharist. In his homily, Father Montenegro stressed the importance of this vocation. It is a question of following Jesus Christ, starting from the charism of Don Bosco, in an association that has a mission in the Church. Today, you decide to follow Jesus Christ as Salesian Cooperators. It is the path that God has proposed to you and you accept. From 11 to 13th October, more than 40 young people gathered at Savio College in Dingley for an event organized by the Youth Ministry Office of the Mary Help of Christians, Vice Province of Malta, MLT, where they explored the theme of hope and reflected on the future of Maltese young people. The weekend offered a balanced mix of personal reflection, spiritual growth, and leisure. The event began with activities aimed at promoting mutual knowledge of the participants from the works: Savio Salesian Youth, Salesiani Slema, Salesiani Senglia, and Oratorju Salesiani Dingley. The group workshops offered participants an in-depth platform to reflect on their personal stories, engaging in meaningful debates about the challenges young Maltese people could face by 2034. Each group explored these issues from the point of view of 6 key social entities: church, youth, family, government, employers, and NGOs, finally developing practical proposals on how these stakeholders could work for a more promising future. Missão Don Bosco, the Solidarity Fund of the St. Anthony Salesian Province, Portugal, recently launched a solidarity campaign aimed at supporting the victims of the conflict in Lebanon, which is currently causing a serious humanitarian crisis. The campaign aims to raise 64,929 to provide immediate assistance to 100 internally displaced people, including 48 children who have taken refuge in the Salesian house in El Huson. The Salesian house in El Huson is currently a safe haven for these Shiite Muslim families, so the campaign focused on providing immediate assistance to the basic needs of these people who have lost everything and now need urgent help to survive. The money raised will be used to provide essential services such as shelter, food, medical care, and psychosocial support. Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, joins humanitarian organizations and countries around the globe in honoring International Day of Rural Women, which is celebrated each year on October 15th. This day, which was first established in 2008, recognizes the critical role and contribution of rural women, including indigenous women, in enhancing agricultural and rural development, improving food security, and eradicating rural poverty. Women make up more than 40% of the agricultural labor force in developing countries, ranging from 20% in Latin America to 50% or more in parts of Africa and Asia, but they are less than 15% of the landholders worldwide, according to the United Nations. The President of the Principality of Asturias, Adrian Barbon, delivered the title of Favorite Son of Asturias to Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, SDB, on 14th October 2024 in Luanco, in a ceremony whose location and format was agreed upon with the man being honored. By this act, Angel demonstrates in fact that he does not forget his origins, that he knows well where his people are, and that he has firm moorings safe from Vinity and other storms, he said. He could have chosen any other setting, but he wanted it to be at home, where he has been able to embrace individually the many family members, friends, neighbors and past pupils who filled the Martimi Museum of Luangko and wanted to take a picture with him. And so, Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime has been able to receive the title of Favorite Son of Asturias under the name of the ship that years ago his grandfather captained. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.